Well, tonight, access to child care remains a major concern for parents all across the state.
The Joint Committee of Lawmakers heard testimony today on the impact that this is now having on our state's hospital systems and healthcare workers. News 19's Josie Frost joins us with the latest details. Josie.
The committee's heard from child care centers saying they're overburdened and can't keep staff. They've heard from parents who say that their kids are on years-long waiting lists to get into preschool. Now, hospital officials are asking for help too, saying their workers can't get access to child care either.
And it is a big issue for the healthcare workforce.
Laura Hewitt is with the South Carolina Hospital Association. She says that just 6 out of 95 hospitals in their organization offer child care for their workers, and that's putting a major burden on her employees.
The hospitals run 24/7, so when somebody calls out, it's kind of a big deal. And so it impacts the ability to be able to provide patient care in some cases. But parents have to choose between being a parent or coming to work.
Findings from Artemis consulting firm, child care workers are making less than several other comparable positions like animal caregivers and pre-K teachers. Representative Shannon Erickson says it's important to balance a need for more money for child care centers and the lack of affordable care for parents.
What can lower rates for parents? What can make more accessible child care numbers go up? We've got a really out of balance business model that child care centers are having to follow, and a really out of balance model for what parents can afford to pay.
One recommendation she's interested in, increasing child care vouchers, which cover costs of care for families at or below 85% of the state median level.
That during COVID, we covered teachers, child care workers, and our first responders. It was a great program. Those are jobs that we need in all of our communities.
The committee has another meeting scheduled for October. Representative Erickson says they'll hear from parents and smaller daycares about their struggles getting child care. The committee hopes to have recommendations prepared before the General Assembly comes back to session in January. Reporting at the State House, Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.